Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to increase your correct or collection level on Marvel Snap. So first of all, of course, all you need to do just go and download the Marvel Snap app or game in your phone. Of course, if you don't have it, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and open the application, then log in into your account. And of course, if you already have an account, that will be great. But if you don't, all you need to do, just go and sign in or create a new account. You can even do that with the Gmail if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. So let me just go here and open my Snap Marvel game, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps correctly. So that will actually be your home or your main screen on the game. And of course, if you want to play the game on your PC like me, all you need to do, just go and check one of our videos in this channel on how to play Marvel Snap on a PC. So of course, from here, let me just go back to the idea of the video, which is how to increase the collection level on this game. So of course, the best thing on this game, which is Marvel Snap, has one of the best systems of any digital card game, because players don't need to open packs or spend real money on a gacha, which is all you need to do is to play and complete missions. But the game doesn't explain, of course, those systems very clearly. So it's not easy to figure out how to get like a shiny Doctor Doom or maybe blinged out Captain America. So of course, here is how to expand your Marvel Snap collection without spending a single cent. So of course, the first like option, all you need to do is to make sure you finish all your missions. So of course, let me just go here, which is the season pass. So of course, when and make sure, of course, to play more games. So of course, when you play more games, you will like surely get those level of the pass of the season or the season pass, which will unlock for you new cards, and of course the missions as well will do the same for you. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.